welcome back to Wheel Flare. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air, a car that blends classic American muscle with modern performance and technology. The iconic Bel Air has returned, and it's more exciting than ever. Let's take a closer look at what this new version has to offer. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air pays homage to its legendary 1950s predecessor with retro-inspired styling, but don't let the classic looks fool you. This is a thoroughly modern car. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.2-liter V8 engine. That pumps out an impressive 485 horsepower, delivering that raw muscle car feel that enthusiasts crave. It can go from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds, making it not only a beauty to look at, but a beast on the road. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this car ensures smooth shifting and precise control, giving you an exhilarating driving experience every time. What really stands out about the 2025 Bel Air is its striking design. Chevrolet has managed to capture the essence of the original Bel Air with iconic elements like chrome accents, bold body lines, and the signature two-tone paint. The classic fins on the rear also make a comeback, giving this car a nostalgic yet futuristic vibe. It's the perfect combination of vintage charm and modern innovation. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's designed for both comfort and style. The interior boasts premium leather seating, a digital dashboard, and a large touchscreen infotainment system with all the latest connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. The car also comes with a top-notch sound system that lets you enjoy your favorite tunes in crystal clear quality as you cruise down the highway. Safety isn't overlooked either. The 2025 Bel Air comes packed with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring that you stay safe whether you're driving through the city or taking it for a spin on the open road. That's the 2025 Charlovet Bel Air, a perfect fusion of retro style and modern performance. If you're as excited about this car as we are, be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Wheel Flare for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars.